Adulteration in ghee. Ghee is clarified butter. Vanaspati ghee is formed from hydrogenation of vegetable oils where nickel is used as the catalyst. Hence, traces of nickel are always found in the Vanaspati ghee. These can be detected in this experiment. Requirements: 1 test tube, hydrochloric acid, pure ghee mixed with Vanaspati ghee, 2% solution of furfural in alcohol, spirit lamp. Method: take about 5 cc of pure ghee mixed with a little quantity of Vanaspati ghee in a test tube. Heat it on the flame of a spirit lamp. Pour an equal quantity of hydrochloric acid in the test tube and shake the mixture well for 1 minute. Add a few drops of 2% alcoholic solution of furfural to the hydrochloric acid in the test tube and shake it well for 2 to 3 minutes. Now allow the mixture to settle down for 2 minutes. The pink color in the test tube indicates the presence of Vanaspati ghee.